Hello everyone, this is Imad Khan from Microsoft. So I will describe today a very important topic that is uploading your project files in GitHub. So I will show a very simple things uploading in your GitHub account. So that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, a front-end web development file, a front-end website file actually in a GitHub account. So I will show you the thing and I will show you some problems which you can face and the easy solutions those problems. So this is what our EK softs do. So let's don't do more late and let's jump to the solutions. So let's see. Thank you. So after coming in here, we will go to our main. We will go to our uh, website directory, website file. So this is the website file. If I come here, I can see it's the index.html. If I click to here, you can see this is the file. This is the website file I just built with. And if I come here, in this link, you can see more. You can see the blogs in here. And after this, you can see the about section. You can see the service section, work section, from the home page. If you come to the home page, if you click to the about section, you can see this. In service section, you can see the services, blogs, contact, and home page. So this is our website file. So what we'll do, this is a simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript file. So what just we will do, we will upload this in our GitHub. So let's jump to our GitHub. So after coming in your GitHub, it's very simple. Logging in your GitHub, you'll just log in your GitHub. I won't see how to log in your GitHub. Just I will see the system, how to upload your repositories in your GitHub. So come here, you just click to new, or you just come to your profile, click your profile, and after coming to your profile, you can see this is my profile. So after coming in here, you will have to create repositories. Click to repositories, and after clicking in it, you just come to new repositories, click new, and after then this you will set a repository name. So what is my website file name? My website file name is devfolio, and I'm Morgan Freeman. So I will name it Morgan. I will name it Morgan Freeman. Okay, so this is the name, and Freeman. I won't let it, in a space in between this. I will name it Morgan Freeman, and I will let it capital. No, not capital. I will let it small case. And this Morgan Freeman. Yeah, I will copy this. No problem for future use. Then after coming in here, you can add a description in here. This is the restaurant website. This is a portfolio website. I will set this is a portfolio website with HTML, CSS, and JS only, and JS only. Okay, so after then this, what do you have to do? Just put this mark as readme file, readme file. I'm sorry, add a readme file. Then after then this, just click to create repository. This repository will be created, then it will take a little bit time, and after this it's uploaded. So what I have to do, just come here and add files, then click to upload files. After then this, what you have to do, just come to your main website. Like if I open this in my Visual Studio Code editor, you can see this is the files. This is our index.html file. It's a long file, and after then this is the blog files, and in here you can see the JS codes in here, the images in here, the CSS in here, and the content form in here, and I added a JavaScript file in here. Okay, whatever. So after doing this, what we will do, okay, it's taking a little bit time. uh, After then this, what we will do, we will just come in here and we will drag our main files and we'll drop in here. Okay, just seeing the record is running. Okay, so after then this, we will come to this dev folio and we will just select all the files, and I want to add this readme the text. You can add, no problem. I uploaded in this process, and these things will be uploaded. This will be uploaded in very sooner time, but you have to notice you shouldn't upload files over 100 at a single time. If you have like 1,000 files, you can upload those things, but you shouldn't upload more than 100 files at one instant. Now like your website is really long website, a really big website. then you can't go with this process. You can't simply drag and drop your files in here. If I see you something like a Laravel website, if I come here and if I go to this, and then if I go to this htdocs and Laravel, and if I show you like this is vendor system website, this is a Laravel website, and if I show you, it's something like 509 MB. So this long size file won't be able to upload it in simple drag and drop. There is another process for uploading files like this. I will show you that process too. There are two processes for uploading repositories. You can make it public repository, or you can make it private repository. The public repositories will be viewable by other users in the online, and they can simply download it. They can view your files, they can add your files for the users. But in private repositories, only the persons you make the files should be able to see. Those person will just see those files, those repositories. So simply anyone from the internet won't be able to see your private repositories, but anyone from the internet will be able to see your public repositories. And the private repositories are private things, and only the estimated users, the users will be able to see. The permitted users will be able to see, I should say. Sorry. Okay, after then this, we'll come here. We can see the files uploaded here, and we will add a comment. I will make it like first comment. Then this is where we just uploaded our website for the very first time. You can add it, but you can't add it, no problem. But it's a, as Git is a version control system, so if you commit this, then when you upload it in second times, in third times, in fourth times, this will be very easy to find from the commits, that what was your what was your when did you uploaded it, and what version of upload it was. Okay, I won't make you late, so I will click to commit changes. This will take a little bit time processing your files. Let me check how much time is it. Okay, it took 7 minutes, 7+ minutes. It's getting a little bit long, but I won't make that boring for you. I will add the more important stuff. I will add some problems, and I will show how to resolve those problems in this file store. Okay, so after doing this, you can see here, you can see the HTML percentage, you can CSS percentage, you can see the JavaScript percentage. Okay, so after then this, we will go to the settings, and in settings, we will go there in pages, and in pages section we will make it main, and this will be root. You can see root and docs, we will make it root, and then save. Then in a while, you can see here will be a link available, so we will just wait for the link. It will take something like 1 or 2 minutes, and whenever we make this, I will show you another. I will make another repository in the same time. I will just come here, and I will come to the repositories. I will make a new repository, and I will name it same Morgan, as Morgan Freeman. What is name? Portfolio. So portfolio, I will name it portfolio, Morgan Freeman portfolio. I will add in the description. This is a portfolio website. Okay, I added it, and then add a readme file, create repository. Now I showed you in last time, in previous time, when we come here, we just we when we came here, we uploaded this after clicking these files. We just uploaded these files. No, what if we directly drag these files and upload these files? I will just show you in this case now. So upload files, I will just directly drag and drop these files here. So simple things in these files, there are 84 files. These are uploading. You can see this is dev slash devfolio slash blocks single.html. Okay, something like this. And in that version you could see only slash block single.html, but in here slash devfolio slash block single.html. So your main routing URL will be the main URL, then slash devfolio and then block single.html. Okay, so if you have to view the outcome, then you have to just go after you have to go to the dev folder, then you can see this file. So I will show you what I just want to show you in here, what is the problem, and you'll just see the how to resolve this problem. Okay, it's a very simple stuff. Okay, so if I come here in these pages, if I click here, I said you will see a link in here. So this is the first one, this is the Morgan Freeman. You can see here is https the core 505.github.io. This is your username. This is the username, and this is your personal link. This is the root directory, and slash Morgan Freeman, this is the root directory. So if I click here, then you can see it takes load, and you can see I am here. Boom. So I'm in here, and I can see that this is the main thing, this is the main portfolio website. I can come here, I can come to the blog, and I can see any kind of blogs from here. This is it, and it's a good going. Okay, so this is the root directory, and we can see this from the root directory. But what we did in here, okay, these files are uploaded in here. So if I come back here, then you can see this is the file. This is the first, the Morgan Freeman one, and this is the second. If I see you, the Morgan Freeman portfolio. What we did, we just uploaded this. We just uploaded this folder totally. So after doing this, the root directory is the coder 505 slash Morgan Freeman portfolio. Then we will just come to this folder, and we'll be able to see the files in this folder. Okay, let's see. So first comment, I won't add anything here. Commit changes, and after doing this, it's processing. It's processing. I will take how much time we just took. Okay, it's getting longer, so I will try to make it short. Yeah, this has come, and after doing this, the same thing you have to do. Come to settings, come to pages, and after coming to pages, make it main from none, and root this will be root. Then just save it, and after saving it, within 1 to 2 minutes, you will be able to see the link here. So let us wait for the link, and when the link is available, I'll show you. Okay, so you can see this link is uploaded in here. So if we come here, in Morgan portfolio, in here in the first one, if we come here, we can see from directly here, because this is the root directory, and after logging the directory, we just uploaded these files, the root files, in the root directory. But in here we can see, we literally can see the files. We can see only the description we added, and the name. This is a portfolio website with HTML, CSS, and JS only. So what is the problem in here? You can see this is the root directory, and we uploaded the files in the root directory. But in here, this is the root directory, but we did not upload these files in the root directory. Instead, we uploaded this folder, and the folders are in, and the files are in this folder. So the root directory, the main directory, becomes this root directory slash devfolio. So if you just copy the name, come here, if you just copy the name, Ctrl C, and if we paste it in here, and slash index.html, whatever we write index.html or not, we will just see, we'll be able to see this from here. So I hit the URL. So this is it. So you can see this is the root directory, this is the main URL, but our things are under this folder, so we have to log into this, we have to jump into this folder, and then we can see the other files from here. So what if we don't type index.html, because index.html is the index file, so we don't need to take it, we don't need to write it, this will be automatically taken. So after then this, if we come to this another page, okay, this is a cool one. If we come to blog, and if you click here, you can see here blog single.html. So this is it. So it was the problem and it is the solution. So this is it, how you have to just upload things in your GitHub, upload your HTML, CSS, JavaScript files in GitHub, your front-end files in GitHub in public repositories. But if you want to make in private repositories, no problem, other users won't be able to see these things. And I will show you another thing, how you can find this in your GitHub account. So I will go there in my GitHub account, so I will search it, by Morgan, and you can see the Morgan portfolio, the Morgan Freeman. It's a simple thing, you can find these things. And if I just share this to other browser for other users, then you can see I'm not signed up in here, it's showing me sign up or sign in, but I can see these files, and from this code I can download this zip. And after downloading this zip, you can see here I'm not signed up, and but I can download your files. So be aware, if you want to make your files uh, to viewable by other users, then make it in public directories. But if these things are confidential, then upload these things as your private directories. But one thing, GitHub is an online preference, so the users come and some great people comes to your GitHub account, and they checks your GitHub account, and they can be notified about your GitHub account. But if you if you just make everything private, then those people won't be able to see your GitHub account, and then can't recruit you. So for the recruiters, it's important to see your GitHub account. So make the confidential things as private, and the other things as simple, actually, as public. Okay, whatever. So I will show you that in the downloads. If I come here, this is the Morgan file, and if I just extract it in here, extract all in here, and after than this, you can see the Morgan Freeman. In Morgan Freeman main, I can see the same thing from here. So it's all, so what I've shown you. So thank you very much for the video, I hope this helped. So thank you again, from Ikesots. Subscribe and press the bell icon for get the notifications about more updates. Thank you very much from Ikesots.